Guys, we are in Italy. As you can see, nice weather, amazing sea today. Marty, my brother, behind the camera. Thanks for helping. Today we are reviewing a new microphone by Saramonic. This is the Blink B2 Plus. I have reviewed in the past the other Blink, so go and check them out. You can find them on the channel, or I'm gonna drop some links down here below. Also, you will find in the description tab the links to purchase the microphone I'm talking about today. Let's go through the specs. Ceriale is an Italian municipality in the province of Savona in Liguria, Italy, located halfway between the center of Genova and the border with France. The foundation of a human settlement along the Via Giulia Augusta, also supported by the discovery of archaeological finds, is believed to exist already in Roman times. Under the dominion of the people of Genova, in the area of the navy, a circular bastion was built in 1563 called Torrione. That was to serve as a sighting post and, in case of attack, as first defense. However, nothing could stop in the night between the 1st and the 2nd of July 1637 the assault of the pirates under the command of the Algerian Siri B, who, with his men, set the village of Ceria on fire. Nowadays, Ceriale features a long series of resorts, bars and restaurants where tourists and locals can enjoy the sunshine and taste wonderful meals and ice creams. First of all, what is the Blink B2 Plus? This is a dual microphone system. It's wireless, so no wires required. And basically, it's what you can see right here. So this is one microphone. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Receiver is on top of my camera, and I've got 1 transmitter right there, and 1 is still in the box. One of the key features is the actual case, which is not just the case to carry all the devices with you, but it's also a charging case. So what you can do, guys, is to charge the case via USB-C port, and then automatically the case will charge your devices. So if you're a travel vlogger, that's a very good option for you guys. You can travel for a couple of days. Just by charging the case, you will be able to charge your devices maybe 2 or 3 times. So you will be covered for a couple of days, 3 days on the go. Very useful. And what I would say also, as we are talking about portability and practicality, thank you, it's the connections. You've got 3 different options, which is great. So you can use this microphone with smartphones, and you have in the case itself a connection adapter for USB-C, so Android smartphones, but also iPhones. So they all come with the microphone. And actually, you've got 4 options, because also you have 2 mini jacks, 3.5 mini jacks, 1 for smartphones and 1 for cameras, which I'm using right now with my Sony FX3. Okay guys, that's another test. So Marty is recording on his iPhone with the microphone on, so I'm talking now through the receiver, the transmitter, but the receiver is connected to his iPhone. And Marty, you can talk now.
Ciao ragazzi, I'm talking.
So how's the day?
Amazing day. I just want to go to swim now.
We're going to talk about the price right away, and the microphone at the moment comes at the price of 159 euros. So you can simply convert euros into your currency and find out the price in your nation or country. Next feature is the tracks you can record to. So basically we have the mono track. If you are on your own, you want to record a single track, you can set it that way. But if you are with a friend, for example, or for any other reason you want to record 2 different tracks on 2 channels, you can by setting up the microphone in stereo mode. But also here you have a safety track, meaning that you can record a different track as well, another track, in case your volume clips, so it's too high. The safety track will lower your volume, your gain of a certain decibel, to allow you to have it like a safety truck, what the word says. Next thing I want to talk about is the mounting options. As you can see right there now, I'm using a clip. So you will have this clip right there. So you can simply clip it to your t-shirt or shirt. But also if you don't have that option, you have a magnet here, because the clip is actually a magnet itself. You're gonna place the magnetic clip under your shirt and stick it right there on your clothing. Again, different options, and because the clip is magnetic, if you wanted to, you could place it on any metal surfaces as well, so around you. On the receiver, you have the option to set up a mute button. In instance, for example, to use the mute button, I worked in theater and the actors are actually wearing the microphones, but when the actors are behind the scenes and they don't want you to hear what they're saying, that's a reason why you could use a mute button, but for any other reason as well. So the transmitters come with a windshield, a tiny fluffy and furry dead cat that you simply attach on top of your transmitter, of your microphone. Of course, it will help you to reduce the wind and the noise. Talking about noise, actually, guys, the microphones come with a denoiser. Basically, you will be able to get rid of some of the ambient and environment noises via the microphone directly, which anyway I don't recommend to do. I usually record with the ambient noise and then I work with it in post-production, just to make sure I have the original sound anyway. But if you wanted to, we have an adjustable denoiser on the microphone, so you can turn it on, and I'm gonna show you right now, so my brother could actually hear the difference and you guys can hear the difference now. Do you hear it? Do you hear a difference,
Yes,
Marty?
I do.
Yes, okay, and we go back to normal mode, so it's probably a bit noisier now. You hear more noises?
Yes.
Well, guys, you drop a comment down here and let me know what you think anyway. On the receiver, guys, also you have two ports. So one is your output that goes from your receiver to the camera, and one is a mini jack for your earphones for live monitoring, so you can hear yourself as you're talking. In terms of audio quality, guys, we are recording at 24 bits, so the audio should be professional and very clear as well. Hopefully it will give you some good deliveries for your videos. So we were checking the distance test. According to the paper, this microphone should reach a distance of 150 meters. So your receiver should be able to pick up the transmitters. So my brother was on the beach right there, which is probably 60 meters away from the receiver, and there was some actually interferences.
So welcome back to the beach. So we are now going to do a distance test. The microphone should work until 150 meters.
So bear in mind, guys, the microphones, wireless microphones, usually work very well in a direct line, so your receiver should face your transmitters without any obstacle. And also the wind is key for the interferences and the waves. So in this case, the microphone didn't work perfectly. I could hear my brother on and off, right? So keep that in mind. So guys, I guess that's it about the Saramonic Blink B2 Plus. Once again, go and check my previous microphones. I'm still using Saramonic as the main brand for my microphones anyway. So I reviewed a few of them, go and check them out. Let me know what you think about these microphones, which I've been using, by the way, for this vlog. I think it's a very good option, again, if you're a travel vlogger, to travel light. I mean, look at this, guys. With this simple case, you've got everything you want. You've got two transmitters, one receiver, four different options to mount on smartphones and cameras. And the battery can last 4 days. So what else do you want? Quality-wise, once again, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Marty for filming.
Ciao.